Hello, my name is Craig Toker with the Toker Property Group, and I've got a really cool duplex to show you, 946-948 Ellery Street. This duplex is really coolly set up for a lot of different purposes. It's fantastic for the first-time home buyer that wants to have a good rental potential. It's great for mom and dad and kids that want to co-buy together, or two friends that want to buy together, because both units are identical. So that's what makes this really cool. So they're fair splits. So come on up, let's have a look and see and show you. So as you can see, we're looking up, we've got the concrete stairs and the metal railings, so very low maintenance. It's all stucco. The windows have been upgraded to the vinyl, and the doors and stuff have been recently painted. But what's really cool about this too is it has 3 meters. 1 meter particularly for the common areas, so the outside plugs, outside lights, the laundry, the hot water tank, and then one for each unit. So the one is for shared expenses on the outside, and the other 2 are for the individual. So that makes splitting up the bills really easy and fair, and nobody's fighting about things. Also, we've got this fantastic driveway. You can fit 4 cars. So you've got 2 in the carport, 1 on each side, and you can do 1 in front of each other in behind here, so you can still slip out and get out there. And if somebody wanted even more, if you wanted to add to the driveway, as you can see, there's quite a bit of room. You could make it wider and have 2 cars all the way down if that's what you really needed. So the other neat thing about this particular property is most of the perimeter around the outside edge, all the fencing is on concrete walls. So it makes for nice, easy maintenance. So this one's got a concrete wall. The back one with a brand new metal fence is all concrete wall. And we go on the other side, you'll see there's concrete as well. So again, both units have their own carports. You can frame this in. You've got lots of room in here if you wanted a garage, and you can see all the extra storage space at the back behind the carport as well. So quite nice, really neat to have that. Lots of electrical upgrades been done on the outside, inside. And then again, we've got 2 storage units. They're both identical. They're both the same size, 1 for each unit. And the floor plans and the size of these units will be on the floor plans inside. So they're just a nice storage there. You get the floor plans for that easily enough. So again, nicely fenced, nice yard. And you know, if you wanted a bit more privacy, you could add some landscaping and some shrubs along here if you really wanted to, but it's a really nice sized yard, really beautiful. So lots and lots of space. It's fantastic. So again, perfect for cohabitating if you got 2 particular type of friends that want to buy together. I mean, talk about affordable living, it's cheaper than a condo, right? So excellent. So we're going to show you the lower level first. So there's the kitchen, and the upper level is tenanted, and so there's stuff in it currently, but it's the same cabinets, same floors, exactly the same. So they're nice and identical. They all have new luxury plank vinyl flooring as well. So up and down. So very durable. Got fresh coated paint in here. Very bright, big windows. So both units have 2 windows, very large windows in the living room. The upstairs one, that side window is on that side. This one's on this side. So as you can see looking out there, very private. And again, tons and tons of light. It's quite nice. So there's a hallway here, and you got your coat closet. You've got another closet here. So lots of storage. And you got another closet, it's the same as that one. And then you've got the bathroom, and it has a window. So nice and tidy. So it's got brand new flooring in it right now. And so you got a new tap on there as well, a new mirror, light fixture. So that's been updated. So the upstairs is still got the black and white checkered flooring, which you'll see when you go up there. So we've got the corner bedroom here. So this is the 2nd bedroom. Again, very big windows and very bright. You don't need to have the lights on in here at all. Super bright. Brand new baseboard heater in here. Updated switches and plugs. And then in here we've got the other bedroom. So both units, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. They all share the same laundry, which I'll show you next. And but they're identical spaces. So it's a little bit harder to tell when there's stuff in it. And but this gives you an idea of exactly what it looks like. And at the end, again, I'll show you we'll go up through there and show you what it was before. So we'll go through here. So this goes through into the common area. So this is now the common area. So this is the common laundry. Again, this area is all on a separate meter. So you got the coin operated laundry there. And then we've got the electrical room here. So you've got a panel here for the common area, and then you've got one for each of the units, and you've got the hot water tank there, which is a 2020, and it's an 8-year tank. So that services both, but again, all electricity from these common areas is on a separate meter. And then this is a common hallway that goes upstairs to the front door and to the other suite. So now this is the front door, front entrance from the front off those concrete steps, and that goes into the suite. So we're going to cut to the old video that we had just out of courtesy to the tenants so they don't have to be disrupted one more time. But we're going to change and go in to show you what it was, or what it is now still currently, but it's just an older video. But it's going to continue on. We're going to take it from the drone, and it's easy to show. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
So the other thing with these older houses that have the textured walls and stuff on them is they actually, it's more durable. So you'll notice you don't see the scratches and dents and stuff quite as easily as you do with the smooth drywall. So that works well. The flooring in here in both units is about 5 years old. They do still have the nice cove ceilings, all newer blinds. I believe they were in 2002 as well. So up and down has the newer blinds as well. That's kind of nice. If you come in here, you can check out the kitchen. So again, it's actually in pretty good condition still. So it is in 2002, but everything is in still pretty decent condition. And then here we've got access to the backyard from this unit up here as well. Hall closet, place for the clothes, which is nice. We've got quite a bit of storage, so we won't go into the closets for them, but there is a couple of closets there with good storage. And this bathtub is really interesting too. Look at the feet, look at the claw feet on that tub, beautiful. And the tub is in nice shape. So there's a window in behind there, but the curtain does go all the way around. And you've got the back bedroom off into the back there. So big windows as well, so nice and bright. The wall color in here and the flooring is the darker color, but there's still lots of natural light that comes into this place. And the tenants that are here would like to stay. They're really nice people. And they would appreciate to stay if they can. So again, the second bedroom up here, baseboard heat. And again, because there's 3 separate meters, this unit has its own power meter. The lower one has its own power meter. And then there's a third meter for the common area laundry room.